Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to simplify Shopify listing, adding GTIN and MPN to Google Merchant Center for Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify and we're currently logged in. So to add GTIN and MPN to our products, you need to click here on the product section at the left side. Click on products, and from here you want to select the product that you would like to add GTIN and MPN. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this product right here. Let's say this is what I want. So I'm gonna click on this product, and then you would be prompted to the product information. And from here, all you wanna do is scroll all the way down, and then you should be able to see these right here. Under the inventory section, you have the SKU and the barcode one right here. So you wanna make sure that you just input the MPN or GTIN right here. As you can see, it says GTIN. So this is where you want to import it. So let's say I'm just going to put something random right there. So once you have input the GTIN or MPN right here, then you can now click on save, and just like that, you now have added GTIN or MPN into your product. But there are also some product like this one right here. When you scroll all the way down, you wouldn't be able to see it under the inventory section. You don't have the GTIN and MPN. You should, when you are adding your product, when you click here on add product, you should enable that this product has an SKU or barcode so that you would have this option. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can add GTIN and MPN to Google Merchant Center for Shopify.